Hey y'all. So we're gonna watch Jenny again today, and how y'all doing on this Sunday morning? Number three. All right, let's watch her. We'll open number 3 together.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 3, and for today's sweater, we are featuring this lovely llama. I'm feeling a little underdressed, so I probably need to add my own set of antlers. He has one. I think I should have one too, don't you?
Yeah.
There we go. We're twins, right?
Perfectly.
Love this. Anyway,
right.
Today is day 3, and let's see what we have. All right, we're going to have to do a little bit of digging. Oh, here it is, right here. Tucked inside. All right, let's see what day 3 is. Okay. Oh, I remember what this is. All right, you guys, this is so fun. So these are exclusive to Missouri Star, made for you for the box, and they are flathead pins that you can actually iron over. And they're heat resistant, and they just lay nice and flat. So when you're pinning your sweaters onto your fabric, you can lay it nice and flat and just iron it
onto your fabric.
And the really fun part is they come in this exclusive shape right here for the Missouri Star Quilt Company. It's like a star.
Oh, can you see the embossing on it?
So today, enjoy your pins. Happy 3rd day.
And this is a nice, tray that you can actually use for other things. So here's the pin. And you're supposed to be able to iron over this. So I did do, so that makes us day 3. We have a project, fabric, pattern, fusible web, pins, and this tray. It's not just pins. If you put these in, you know, your magnetic thing, and you can always use this for something else. And I did do the project, and I have a sew with me coming up, and I'll put it up there because I still have to applique and quilt it, if you want to see that. And I've heard a lot of people saying, well, you know, I give this a 1 or 2, I give this a 1. I don't think of this box in that way. I think of this box as it's fun to open something once a day, you know, every day, and see what you get there. I mean, I think there's value in that, and I think there's value in, you know, having projects to do. So I include that on my value. The box was $179 plus shipping and tax. And if you get it in the spring, you can split it up and pay a deposit. And then come time, I think by September, you have to pay the remaining project. So this is like a present to myself, and that's why I value it. And I mean, you can even use this for other things. You can use it for wrapping paper, wrapping your other gifts. So I put a little bit more value on it than what we get today. I put value on it as it's a happy I get every day, and projects that I get. So yeah, it's a little bit more than me. I'm putting a price tag on it, and you know, watching Jenny with it, I put value in that. So tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. I'm going to put my video up on this, and then a part 2 will be the applique and the quilting it. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See y'all.